Ka Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Unions and Associations MJCTU and A Kalarke ya Kamede Kabaki on ka International Labor Day Nadu Kapor Kadwe Bijiman Step ha parking lot Kabadon ha Mar Prasha Jongka CTO building Kabahajan Meghalaya Additional Secretariat ka Vivekananda Road Shillong ha kanek program la Shimpenta da kinong kitkam ka MJCTU and A bat kiwe long ba kinong tre ki tre prakanta chisngi namar kane kamede
is being celebrated here in our state in memory of our past leaders, the one who have committed their life for the betterment of their employees. We are enjoying 7 to 8 hours of our working day. Each day we are some institution, some establishment are working for 7 hours, some are working for 8 hours. This is because of their efforts. So, but of course we have many issues in our country. Mainly is the inflation, the jingkiw dor, nang ta kajing bang yo akam yo jam kisamla, ipa yang ni apo kejela jong niru, bun ki hamtam kena samla, bun yang ki kita brain drain mo, ajaka bikin song kin yatra yang ni sarkar ka di ban le kin na mata kin kena samla. The government should do something about this young generation. They study and they don't have a job. Who is supposed to create a job? There should be someone who create a job. The government is a principle that the government is to create a job.